Good morning, beautiful people. I don't know what time it is you're watching this, but this is just me showing you guys how I woke up like this, makeup and all. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notifications bell, and become a member of the Oluchi Gang family because we are growing, glowing. It is forever a movement. So today's video, I have a hair review for you guys. I'm reviewing the Unice hair headband wig. And I'm just showing you guys what's in the box. It comes with a wig cap. Also comes with a headband. So this one and another one. So there's one in the mauve and a blue. And then of course just some instructions in the box as well. And now look at the star of the show. It's this curly headband wig in the length 18, the Brazilian style. And you guys, look at these curls. Curls though, so soft. I'm showing you guys what it comes with. It comes with two combs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and of course the silky satin looking headband portion. It's just really comfortable, honestly. And it's so laissez-faire. Ignore all the holes in my wig cap. If you guys don't have holes in your wig cap, I don't know, maybe I'm not using this right. Well, me, I am, sha. So I pull it back a little just to expose some of my edges, and then clip it all the way back. I pretty much just use the headband itself. I barely use the actual comb because it gets a little uncomfortable, but for more security I would say use the comb. Now let me show you guys some styles that I do with this headband. So from this portion y'all can just watch me style this hair, and I'll check back in with you guys in a second. Okay, so I just put it up like this because I love wearing curly hair up, and this style is serving. Like, it's so cute and it's so appropriate for me because especially when I go to work sometimes, you know, you don't want your track showing, so you can't put your hair up. Now I have no excuse. I can take this hair, put it down, put it up when I have to. So I'm really excited to rock this hairband wig. I've been seeing it going around everywhere, and I really wanted to get one. So I'm really glad that Unice reached out to me and I was able to bring you guys this. And there's just so many ways you can style it. I showed you guys some of the few. This hair is so soft, honestly. The curls are popping, as you can see. I'll leave all the stats in the description box below. It is in the length 18. It's from the Unice Amazon hair store. So again, shipping is really fast, 2 to 3 days on Amazon Prime, and it was a very affordable price. It's in the length 18 again, like I said, and I feel like 18 was just like perfect for you to be able to like achieve all these like styles. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's so cute and so gorgeous. Alright y'all, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys have any questions or anything to say, leave it down in the comment section down below. Let me know how you like this hairstyle. Do you think it suits me? Is it cute? Is it serving? Is your baby girl giving you baby girl vibes or not? Okay, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in my next one. God willing, stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.